Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect for sprucing up maybe your bedroom or your living room when it comes to your TV, because it's this really nice contemporary looking fluted TV stand. So this was sent over by a company called Amada Home Furnishings, and it's really, really nice, very easy to put together. It's going to come with everything you need. The instructions are very simple to follow. It took me about an hour to put everything together by myself. Obviously, if you have a friend, it's going to go a lot faster. They even include plenty of spare parts, and they even include a spare handle as well. So you got everything you need to set up. Now it has this nice kind of walnut look to it. Obviously you can get it in different colors if you wish. But yeah, it looks very, very premium, feels very, very premium. Give you an idea of the size here. It's about 57 3/4 inches long, if you will, or wide. And then the depth of it is about 15 3/4 inches. And then it's about 15 3/4 inches in high. Now, as far as it's sitting off the ground about 3 1/4 inches, it's got some like legs here on the side. And then you're gonna notice on the console, it has two doors on either side. The doors have this nice soft close hinges, so you don't have any of that banging sound when they are closing. Plenty of room to store stuff, movies, all kinds of stuff that you don't want to see and have out. Then you're going to have a nice little drawer. Once again, it's a great place for all your remotes, other little various things that you need to store. Then you have an open shelf, which you can utilize for decorations, or if you do have like still a Blu-ray player or something like that, that easily fits there, or maybe a gaming console. And then you have the flat surface here, which is perfect for a TV. Obviously, it can fit up to a very large size TV. As far as on the back side, on either side of these cabinets, there is an opening, so that way you can have plenty of cable management, which is really, really nice. So if you do store anything in here like a gaming console, you can easily run those cords in without having to drill any holes or anything like that. Just makes it very easy to utilize. As far as the construction, this is all made out of a P2 engineered wood, which is basically a nice MDF wood. It's not that kind of cheap particle board that's going to fall apart on you. So that's another nice, it's more of a solid build. And then it's got this walnut laminate on top of it. But when I was assembling it, there was absolutely no weird odors or anything like that, which is great because when you put it up, it was just ready to go instantly as far as the build. But if you're looking for a really nice contemporary piece of furniture to go with your look and your style, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.